Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add location in Google Maps. So we have the Google Map app open here and we're going to just find the location that we're interested in and then we're going to tap on it, and when we tap on it you can see the red icon there which shows that it's a place of interest. All we need to do is just simply go to save and tap on it, and here you could create a new list. Now of course you could decide to put it in your favorite places or a place you want to go or your travel plans or in the start places. If this doesn't fit your description, you could go ahead and create a new list, and then you could fill in the information here, and at the top right the create button will be activated for you to click on it, and then it will be saved in this list with the name you give to it. Another option is to add your business to Google Maps, so you need to use this option if you're using for your business. So what we're going to do is to tap on our profile icon at the top right corner, and then we're going to go over to add your business. So when you tap on add your business, it's going to take you to a form where you get to create your business profile with your business name, with your business category, and when you click on next, you're going to fill in some other information such as work hours and things like that. So if anyone gets to look at it on the map, they will find it. Now the difference between the first option and this one is the first option, whatever location you save will only be visible to you. But this one, where you actually fill this information, it will be reviewed by Google, and then when it's approved, it will be shown to the public. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.